Hey guys, this is Lee here, and in this video I'm going to do a box opening of Sunfish Parts made by sunfishdirect.com. For years now, I've been looking at sites on Facebook and other websites and all these people that write questions. Where do I get this sunfish part? Where do I get that sunfish part? Well, over the last few years, there's been some shortages on sunfish and laser sailboat parts, and there's a few people who've taken the opportunity to fill the void of lower sunfish part availability. Sunfishdirect.com is one of them. So if you like to see new sunfish equipment, smash that like button down below. It really helps out the channel a lot. And now, to the video. Okay, so we're going to get right into this. So we got this. Ooh, nice stuff in here. This is a gray hiking strap. Nice. A Sunfish Direct rudder cheek, which would be handy to replace this broken rudder cheek here. Like if you looked at my other video on what to look for and how to buy a sunfish, you'll watch out for this. So if you don't have one, you don't have to get a replacement. This is a baler. We got some sail clips here, all different types of sail clips. Hey guys, since you are watching this video, I was able to get my viewers of this channel an exclusive offer from sunfishdirect.com. If you use the promotional code LEE, you'll save 10% off any order over $100. This is a limited time offer and it's good through June 6th, 2021. So don't delay. Order today, and I'd like to thank sunfishdirect.com for helping out my viewers. Thanks, and back to the video. We have clear, white, blue. I like open to see how they work. We got red, so they got all different colors. Orange and yellow. That's pretty cool to customize your sail setup. And for the cheeks, got a spring set. I'm going to upgrade an older boat, so we have this rudder bracket. That's a wire traveler. Sail bag. Nice. Zippered. Handle. Nice sail bag. Excellent. This is a Sunfish Direct Malibu Breeze sunfish set. I'm not going to open it up here, obviously, because it's kind of small, but this will be a nice addition to the upgrade sail boat. And then we have this. This is a blade bag. Nice material, it's padded. Very nice, has a strap and a handle. Shoulder. Okay. Now, I'm not sponsored by anyone, which gives me an opportunity to give you my honest opinion on things that I review for the Sunfish. For instance, Aero South and their crazy extreme rudder that I reviewed in another video, and I'll place that link right up here. Right up here. Now, since these parts are not made by a Sunfish manufacturer, for instance, Alcort, Sunfish Laser, or Laser Performance, these are not class legal parts for racing in Sunfish Class sanctioned events. For instance, Sunfish Regionals, Sunfish North Americans, Sunfish Nationals, and Sunfish Class events like that. However, there are dozens and dozens of regattas across the country. Most of the time, for club racing or smaller regattas, will allow you to race with these not class legal parts. So check out the Sunfish Class website, sunfishclass.org. I'll leave a description down below, and then you could get access to dozens of regattas across the country. What I found really cool that's coming out of this box is that we have an opportunity to get different Sunfish sail clips. Now, not many people make a big deal about Sunfish sail clips. A lot of the racers use sail ties, but these are kind of cool. Orange, blue, light clear, red, and yellow. I have a friend that's going to do the world's longest sunfish race around Shelter Island. That's this July 10th. And he's just going to trick out his sunfish. I'm going to talk to Kenny. We're going to help him set up his sunfish, and he might have the most colorful sunfish out there. Now, if you saw one of my previous videos, which I'll put down here, on how to buy a used sunfish and what to look for, I pointed out that you have to look out for these rudder cheeks when you go ahead and see the boat. And this one actually has a crack right here. So this is no good, because when you steer the boat, it's going to feel mushy. So I got this new rudder cheek from Sunfish Direct, and it's going to fit really good because the dimensions are the same as far as the angles. However, it is a little bit different because the pattern is different here. It actually feels a little bit heavier. I'm not a scale, so yeah, I have no idea. I think this might be a little bit more robust. The spring is a little bit different. It's a little bit thicker. I don't know what you call them. So you could see that there's more. This is the class legal thing right here. You have the sticker. What else is different about this? And these differences, from my point of view, do not matter for the speed of the boat. If anything, because this is heavier, this is going to be that much slower because it's probably 2 grams heavier. The spring post is longer on the Sunfish Direct, but I don't think that's going to make a really much of a difference as far as speed is concerned. You have the different pattern, and also this area here to here, from the aft part of the cheek to the rudder bolt, is a little bit longer, as you can see here. Yeah, so it's a little bit different. See, oh, there you go. See how it's a little bit longer? So there's a little bit more material on this. Like I said before, this is not class legal, but if you're not going to do a North Americans, the measurer is not going to get you, because I don't think anyone's going to care if you show up with one of these. They will have an issue for regional or North Americans or nationals if you come up with something like the Aero South rudder, because that is a totally different feel. It's longer, it's the shape, it won't fit in the measurement jigs. If you want to take a chance and bring one of these to, you'll probably get away with, to be honest with you. I have one of those really old metal bailers that I'm going to have to actually remove, and I can't just unscrew it on a sunfish I'm going to restore. And so we're going to replace it with this baler. We'll see how this works, and I'll report on this when we put it in. There's one event that I would like to talk to you about, and it's called the world's longest sunfish race around Shelter Island. It's held in New York in July of 2021. This year is the 50th running of the race around Shelter Island, and last year was supposed to be the 50th anniversary. However, because of the sickness COVID-19, they pushed it to this year and is now being held on July 10th. This race is a marathon, which is about 26 miles long. I encourage you to check it out. If you want to take a trip out to beautiful Eastern Long Island, you're more than welcome to come out. It's a fun race. They're shooting for about 80 to 100 boats, and the average amount of boats they get is between 40 and 60 boats. And all Sunfish sailors are invited to attend. You have to be over 16, and they have double-handed and single-handed classes. It's a beautiful race where it's not so much if you're the fastest boat. A lot of people do it because they love the scenery. They love being around 40 or 50 other boats. There's a camaraderie to it. Now, because it's the 50th, they're going to have a big party, and also Laser Performance, who's the builder of the Sunfish, is donating a fully rigged Sunfish sailboat to raffle off to all the competitors who sign up. If there's 50 boats, you have basically a 1 in 50 shot at winning a brand new Sunfish, which is probably about $4,600. So just in that alone is the reason that you should go ahead and do this race, this tour. It's a lot of fun. It's something that you should do once in your sailing career. So for more information about the world's longest sunfish race around Shelter Island, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. And when the weather's nicer, I can't wait to rig this sail. This is a rainbow sail called the Malibu. And I'm going to compare it to that other sail that I've reviewed back in this video right here. I'd like to thank Chris McClellan of SunfishDirect.com for giving my viewers an opportunity to see some cool sunfish things. And also I'd like to thank Chris for offering that 10% off discount for my viewers if you just use the promotional code LEE on your next order of $100 or more. I'll leave the information down in the description below. Let me know what you think of the parts that I opened up in this box today. Leave comments down below. I read all the comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. You can press that button right down below. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers so I could live stream here on YouTube. And for that, I do need 1,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate it. Please smash that like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the water.